Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Get Drawing with Prescott Arikado. This is a new series on my YouTube account and Instagram account as well I'll teach you all how to draw. I'll give you tips and such and on how to make good drawings. So let's get to it then. Here we go. So anyway, I'm an artist for many reasons. One reason is because it's fun. Two is because drawing is an art form. I'm a firm believer that anyone can be an artist. If you can write your name, you can draw shapes, you're an artist. Because that's what drawing is, writing your name is at its core. You're drawing a symbol. So let's get started. I got my pencil. This is an artist pencil. There are many like it, but these are mine. It has two sides. The pointing and the eraser. We use both sides. And when I draw, I usually draw in a sketch type way. I draw the same line repeatedly to make sure that to make the idea come out. So let's draw a square. I do this. I just draw the square repeatedly, drawing the line several times in a row, and then I just do this. See? Just drawing it out. You just sketch the drawing out by drawing the line repeatedly. I mean, anyone could do a square, of course, but it's the building blocks. Let's just erase that a little bit. If you want to do a 3D square, you just gotta do something like this. See? Just add some detail. I mean, anyone can draw. It's just lines on paper. But it takes skill to get your point across. See? You just draw a square. Draw the square. There's also triangles. Of course. You do a little triangle. Do the triangle, sketch it out. And if you round out the bottom of the triangle a little bit, you can create a cone. See? Just create a cone. See what I'm getting at? As I mentioned before, you just sketch it out. Just sketching it out by just adding detail. And of course, there's circles. Everyone can draw a circle. You don't have to make it perfect. Circles come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. What's fun about circles and squares and triangles is that they're in everything. Shapes are everywhere. For example, a box is just, well, sorry. A box is just a square. Just like that. Hold on. And then with a little shading, you can add detail. Add some detail. And see, those are the basics. We just just by shading alone, you can add detail. Just sketch it out. Most people prefer to draw like this. When it comes to circles, they prefer to draw like this. Just one, just like that. I prefer it my way, but I mean, it's art. Art, there's a lot of things. So, and like I was saying before, let's change this. Sorry, I can't. I'm just doing this from the top of my head, but anyway, like I was saying before, shapes are in everything. For example, going back to the circle, you just do this, sketch out the circle. And if you add a little this, like some spiky leaves, you can have a tomato. Now I won't color it right now because we're just starting. But like I said, you can see that's kind of like a tomato of sorts. When you, as well, if you were to draw, say, another circle, sketch out another circle. This one a little lumpier. And then add a smaller circle. You'll see what I'm doing. Sort of a small circle. You can have an apple. As I've said before, shapes are everywhere. Another fun shape would be a taco. A taco is just, at its core, a folded circle. See? You just add a taco-like shape. And then you can do this to make it look like there's legs coming out. Or if you want to get a little more three-dimensional, we can do this. We have a taco. See? Taco. Like I said, shapes are everywhere. You just need to know how to use them. I hope you're enjoying me drawing so far. So with that said, let's move to another page. I'll show you some detailing. Now let's draw another square, a three-dimensional square. That one's a little small, so let's draw a bigger one. That one's a little small, so let's draw a bigger one. You just keep drawing. Draw it out a little more. Just gonna do that. And that. Remember to check. Remember, practice makes perfect, as they all like to say. Now, so let's make it look like the box has a crosshatch. Now, crosshatch is very simple. The crosshatch, you just draw the line repeatedly in a line. The line's in a line. And then you do this. Repeatedly, just going. And it's to create a crosshatch. Just gotta keep it going. See? And you're adding detail. Another good way to add detail. Another good way to add detail is just to do this. If you want to add like a shadow effect, we can just do that by doing that. Yeah. That's some showing texture. Let's give the box texture. Let's go back into the crosshair. See what this adding. If you do this adds more texture. See? Just adding and adding and adding. See, if you do it like this, it gives a little. Remember the dark. You can't have darkness without light, and you can't have light without darkness. So remember that. Okay. Remember, shapes are and everything. And I think we'll call it quits for now. I hope you enjoyed watching me draw. Remember these techniques, and you'll be on your way to start drawing. Well, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to breathe or dream.